If your dishwasher isn't performing as well as it used to, or you're noticing a bit of an odor, it might be time for a deep clean. Over time, food particles, grease, and detergent residue can build up inside, affecting performance. One simple and effective method is learning how to clean dishwasher with vinegar and baking soda. This natural cleaning process will help eliminate grime, freshen up your machine, and improve its efficiency. To start, make sure your dishwasher is empty. Remove any dishes, racks, and utensil holders. You want full access to the interior to get the best results. Begin by checking the drain at the bottom. Clear away any food debris or small objects that might have collected there, as these can prevent proper drainage and even cause blockages. Now, for the first part of how to clean dishwasher with vinegar and baking soda. Place a cup of white vinegar in a dishwasher safe bowl or cup and set it on the top rack of your empty dishwasher. Run a hot water cycle. The vinegar will break down any grease and grime, dissolve mineral deposits, and help remove any lingering odors. Let the cycle finish completely before moving on to the next step. Once the vinegar cycle is done, it's time to move on to the baking soda. Sprinkle a cup of baking soda along the bottom of the dishwasher. Run a short hot water cycle again, and let the baking soda work its magic. This step will help deodorize your dishwasher, scrub away stubborn residue, and leave the interior sparkling clean. The baking soda is also great at absorbing any remaining smells, so you're left with a fresh, clean scent. It's also helpful to make cleaning a habit. If you follow this process every few months, you'll keep buildup under control and avoid potential issues down the line. Learning how to clean dishwasher with vinegar and baking soda isn't just about deep cleaning, it's also about maintenance. Regular care can help your dishwasher run more efficiently and extend its lifespan, saving you time and trouble in the long run. If you're noticing your dishwasher isn't cleaning as thoroughly or smells persist, even after a vinegar and baking soda clean, it might be worth checking filters or spray arms, or calling in a technician. But in most cases, this natural cleaning method will do wonders. There you have it. Now you know how to clean dishwasher with vinegar and baking soda, a quick and affordable solution to keep your machine in top shape.